Welcome to the Stage 32 Writers Room, where screenwriters like you ignite creativity, connect with industry pros, submit your work to decision makers, and turn your dreams into reality. Here's how. You'll be able to submit your scripts to open writing assignments from some of the industry's top production companies. Want access? Join our weekly webcasts with top industry pros and ask them questions. Plus, you can watch hundreds of webcasts on demand. Need help with pitching? Join our pitch practice sessions and pitch face-to-face with executives to get feedback. You'll get a free writer's toolkit, access to accountability sessions, and deep discounts on script coverage, contest entries, classes, and more. Best of all, you'll join a like-minded, safe community. You'll have a private forum to ask questions and get support from fellow writers and professionals. So come discover what thousands of screenwriters love about being in the writer's room. Sign up now and let's write your future together.